Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video here we've got a Lexus RC200t RC model. I believe it's a 2015, 16, 17 model. We've just done the service on it. So once we start the car up here, you see in this corner that the service indicator comes on. There you go, 7,000 kilometers to go. Now the way you reset this is very simple. You just scroll through the settings here. You scroll onto the setting here, push in on settings. Now go all the way down till you see maintenance, reset data, and there that all maintenance has been reset. Now, on these cars, you may or may not have to also service it from the center screen here. So by doing that, you hit menu up here and you scroll with this touchpad to setup. Scroll all the way till you reach vehicle. And you simply go up to maintenance, hit maintenance, and here you see oil filter and service need resetting. So you just scroll down again with this touchpad, scroll down to reset all, hit in to enter, and hit yes. And their all maintenance have been reset and they all turn blue, so that's how you know they've been reset. So that's pretty much it for the reset on the Lexus RC. So now if I turn the car off and start it back up again, we see that the service signal comes on at 15,000 kilometers. So thanks for watching guys, and hope this video was helpful. If it was, be sure to give us a like and comment down below. Thank you.